It's been 10 days since I put my first application of fertilizer down, GreenTRX. We had 3 full days of rain after putting it down, and then I went on vacation for 7 days. I come back and it's really starting to green up. Today I'm going to do something that may surprise some of you, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome to Sunny in Bermuda. Today we're going to do a Scarify and a real mow again. You ask, why do Scarify again? So I just did it about a week ago. Well, we had 3 days of really heavy rain. Got some wash lines in the yard, as BYD calls it, from Bermuda Grass Central. Some people call these zebra lines. Some call them tiger stripes. But I really like the term BYD calls it. These are wash lines, because basically when it rains, rain will wash, you know, whatever your slope or grade is, it'll wash and create these little areas of basically your thatch. These are called some excess thatch in the yard. So we're gonna get these up, and also a lot of debris. Look at here. So we'll make sure we'll wear our mask, because I cut the backyard, I scarified the backyard and cut it, and I about died afterward. I didn't have my mask on. Look at all these lovely critters. So yeah, we're gonna really clean up the yard again. Then I'm gonna real mow it. I probably said it, I scalped it 3/4 of an inch, you know, before I put my first application of GreenTRX on. So I'm gonna lift it up maybe just a little bit, maybe 1/8 of an inch. Probably keep it at 7/8 of an inch for a while. And we're gonna real mow it. So guys, I hope you enjoy this episode. I'm not gonna Scarify all the way down on the S setting. I'm gonna raise it up a little bit. Probably put it on maybe a 1/2 a setting. Right there, right in the middle between the 1 and the S. Just enough to get down into the turf. Not really to get down into the dirt, but enough to get down and, you know, get all the debris out of it, the wash lines and all the thatch and all. I'm gonna see if you can see this. You can see where I scarified on this side. The grass is a little tufted up in the areas with little stolons, but the wash lines are gone. You might can faintly see where they were if they come across here, and then you can see where I haven't scarified. Wish I could catch it on video, but when the Scarify runs across these, it basically goes poof and pulls up these wash lines, and of course all the other debris. Yeah, this is before, then this is after. Look how clean the lawn is now. The little pine seed pods are gone, or whatever they're called. I think they're just full of pollen, really. They're pollen pods. That's a good name for them. The wash lines are gone. Oh, there's a few pods I missed. Get these two. But overall, really cleaned up. Really impressed with how the Allett Scarify cartridge gets down there and really cleans up the yard. So now I'm gonna head to the garage, put on my reel, and set it to about 7/8 of an inch and get a nice clean reel mow on. That way it's nice and smooth. Be back in a second. All right, first thing you do is you come up here, turn it on. All right, I've already got the perimeter cut for you on the edges. So all you gotta do is go back and forth. It's already warm. So you just be able to pull this one. There you go. Now to engage the blade. See this red thing? You push it forward with your finger. Like that, and then lift up on it. Right there, guys, it's Sonny Jr. Blood, sweat, and respect. I hear you. Nice, done pretty good. Laying a little stripe action going on. Lawn striper in action. Pretty straight too, for the first time. Uh-oh, he missed some. Look at there. You see that layout right there? My turn now. All right, guys, I'm all done. Got a fresh cut in at 7/8 of an inch. Had one of my sons help me. Hope you enjoyed that. Didn't take much off, really. Only filled up the hopper once with this grass. Just clipped off the top green. Slow growing right now. Temperatures are going to be in the 70s all week, lows in the 40s. So the Bermuda's asking, what's going on? It's the middle of April. We should be in the 80s by now. But we're not. Just a little cool snap coming through. But if you like this episode, you know, be sure to follow my channel. Check out my website, sunnybermuda.com. Hit that subscribe button down here in the little corner and hit that like button. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think, what you're doing in the yard. Are you hitting a cold spell as well? And also, we're going to take a little trip to the backyard. I'll show you what I did yesterday to the backyard. Basically the same thing. Just going to show you what it looks like. All right, guys, here's the backyard. I did a Scarify and real mow, my first real mow in the backyard. Show you what it looks like. Oh, there's my wife and one of my daughters on the swing, having fun swinging. See you guys in the next video.